Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to Mike the Gamer 18. Today, I am going to be showing you how to change your name on Off-Road Outlaws. So first, I'm just going to go ahead and be doing a little driving around intro kind of thing. And then we'll get to the actual point of the video. So here we go, we're just going to go ahead and drive around for a little bit. What's my next challenge? Oh, yeah, no, never mind. We're gonna go here. Now we're logging in. I'm gonna be showing you how to change your name. Even if you aren't a member, or if you are a member, or if you're not logged in, even if you are logged in, I'm gonna show you how to change your name afterwards. So, yeah guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and drive around for a little bit. Anyways, I'm gonna park right here. I'm gonna get my truck out. This truck right here is a good truck. I really love it. Well, I think my friend had it. I don't know. But anyways, even though it's a Ford, this thing rocks, so you'll see in a minute. Watch. Truck is really good. Like, it drives clean, kinda. I mean, it wobbles like that, but like, that was not supposed to happen. Oh! Yeah, guys. Well, I really need likes, comments, and views and shares so I can make this money. Yeah, I'm trying to make money so I can do some stuff. Well, that'd be good today. After this video, I'm gonna go eat. I'm hungry. Yeah, so today, guys, today's gonna be a how-to video. Okay? So, like, if you guys want more, like, more content of, like, Call of Duty, DMX2, Off-Road Outlaws, Roadblock, let me know. Comments below. I will do more videos to anybody that makes you guys entertained. I'll do anything. Okay? So, please let me know in the comments. And actually, please like this video and subscribe and comment what you want me to do next. So I know ahead of what I'm going to do for it. And if I can make plans for it. Just please, guys. I'm gonna show you a brief and long. Show you how good this truck is. This truck, oh my god, dude. Even though Ford, I'm a Chevy man and a Dodge van, but look, this truck though, it's great boost and launch though. Watch. Let's start right here. This truck is good. Alright, and 3, 2, 1, go! This truck is really good though. It's Thursday though. Look at that! Look, you saw that? Dude, this truck is so good. If you guys want me to do a video on how to build this one, you guys can have it. Just let me know in the comments below so I can make the video and post it, and you guys can build this kit and have it. Because this truck, honestly, guys, this truck is so good, it's unbelievable. Look, it drifts though, like it's so crazy. Everything on this truck is clean. It's just the first truck on this game. That's the truck that I ordered with in my new high country. I just built that. I don't know if you guys want a video on that. Let me know. Let me know if you guys want a video on that. Anyways, guys, yeah, I'm heading back to load this up. And, I don't know, we might race around the track with these people. Oh, nope. They're going, yep. Nope, they're not going to the track. Never mind. Yeah, like I said, guys, we're going to load this up on the trailer. And then we are going to go, I'm going to go show you how to never log in with Facebook. Or even if you're not logged in with Facebook, I'm still going to show you how to change your name. Because it really, I really had to, oh, that's good. I really had to do some research from when I wanted to change my name, and I couldn't find out how. And, I researched and researched and researched and researched, and still nothing. So finally I found out how to do it on my own. And today is your lucky day, guys, because I'm going to be showing you how to change your name in Off-Road Outlaws. That's right, guys. I'm going to be showing you how to change your name in Off-Road Outlaws. Load up and head home. Here we go, guys. This is how you do it, alright? Listen closely. Alright, guys. Well, once you log in, look, you see this red button on the side, the slide button? Well, make sure you hit that. And then, so here's my original name it gives you, right? If you want to log in with Facebook, you hit that little F on this blue button down here, which I'm changing. So you hit the blue F, and if you're already logged in, it would say you're already logged in. But if you hit that, you have to go through a whole process with Facebook.com and all that. And so to change your name, guys, you have to go down to this blue thing that I'm changing right now. And then you have to hit the screwdriver and the wrench. Hit that. And say I want to do Mike the Gamer 18. Hit done. So look, your original name would still be there. Don't freak out, guys, and don't try it again. Well, you can, but if your original name is still there, like it just happened to me, you have to hit the blue thing again, and there will be your name. Okay. And then so look, watch. So when I log out, the original name would pop back up. Watch. So I'm gonna switch to my name, right? That I just named for you guys. Alright, there. Alright, I'm gonna exit out of it, and I'm gonna go into the app again. So then, here's my high country, by the way. Anyways, so you go back to this red thing, and your original name would still be there, but you have to click your original name on that blue button down here. You have to click it so your name that you put would be there. Okay? So yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked this video. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Peace out, baby.